flour, 220 grams, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir with a whisk. Add cold butter 120 grams. Mix with your hands until fine crumbs. Add 60 ml of very cold water. Stir everything. Pack the dough in the film or bag. Place in a refrigerator for 1 hour. Stuffing base. Take 4 eggs. Add 200 ml of sour cream or cream, nutmeg, a half of teaspoon. Add pepper. Stir with a whisk. Take bacon, 350 grams, cut into small pieces. Grate 200 grams cheese. Put the bacon into the pan. Fry a little over medium heat. Put on a plate. Remove grease with a paper towel. Sprinkle flour on the table. Roll out dough to 4 mm thickness. The form can be lubricated with oil. I have 24 centimeters. Lay out the dough. Remove edges if desired. Poke the bottom with a fork. To make the cake crispy, you must first bake it. Put parchment with a lot. Raw rice or beans. Put in the oven for 50-20 minutes at a temperature of 200 degrees. Get out of the oven, remove cargo. Lay out the bacon and 2/3 of cheese. Pour out the sauce, spread of spread the remaining 1/3 of the cheese. Put in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Let the cake cool down. Take it out of the mold. Cut off a piece. The quiche will be even tastier the next day. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe and bye.